Hello everyone. So in today's episode, I am going to discuss that how you can install the Divi theme and how you can log in into Elegant Themes so that you can download the Divi theme and you can install it into your WordPress dashboard or into your WordPress website. So let's have a look. So first, go to your WordPress dashboard. And you will see here the appearance, and in appearance go to themes. Here the most recent ones that you have installed, and if you are not installed, the default installed ones by the WordPress will show up here. Here the active one is 2017, and if we have a look what the website looks like right now is like this, right? So we need to install the Divi theme, so let's first download it, right? So go to the elegantthemes.com. you need to write Elegant Themes on Google, and the first one it will show up, or I will also provide the link in the description, don't worry about that. So we need to buy it, right? Go to the pricing, and if you want choose either of them. I have already bought this one, lifetime access. It is good to go and it is the right choice. I guarantee you it's really easy and simple for making a website. If you have the budget, go for the lifetime access, please, I request you, and I guarantee that you will not regret it for sure. So just buy it and sign up for go for the sign up today and just buy it. After buying it, you will see something like I'll show you. You will see something like this, members area, and if you are not on this page, simply go to the account and member login. So I am into the member login, and I have already entered my username and password. So I will click on the login, and here I am into the dashboard of the Elegant Themes. From here I can download the Divi theme. Simply click on that, it will show up in my downloads. Okay, so here it is. Now go to the theme section and click on add new. Here you have to select the upload theme, and now you have to choose file. Now find the downloaded file. Here it is. It will be in the most probably in the downloads section. Go click on it and just click on open and click on install now. It is uploading. It will show up here right in the bottom. Let's wait for that much time. Now it's installed, and click on activate to straight away activate the theme, Divi theme. Now the Divi theme is installed and it is activated. You will see the Divi branding here at the bottom. Divi, this shows that Divi is installed in your website. Now click on that. Not only, you have to click on theme options. Now if you want to get updates for your website, you have to enter your username and your API key from the members area. I will not show that. and it is self-explanatory. So you can just just need to enter your username and API key from your Elegant Themes members area. You can get it from the account and from the username and in API key. From here you can get it. Now after installing it, that's it for the installation part. Now for the designing part, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you very much guys, that's it for the video, and thank you for watching it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and DM me on Instagram. So if you have any query, I can solve it there only, or you can give me a call also if you want to. The number is given in my Instagram profile. You just need to click on the call now button, and if you have any other doubt, you can message me there only. I will be more than happy to help. Thank you very much. That's it for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.